Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting everything into the media pool, camera clips and separate audio files. Once imported, make sure the project frame rate matches your camera. This prevents drift. Next, create a fresh timeline and drag your video onto a video track and each audio source onto separate audio tracks underneath. You do this so you can visually compare waveforms and easily select which audio to align. Make sure waveforms are visible. They're how you'll match peaks quickly and accurately. Once clips are on the timeline, try Auto Sync by waveform. Select the video and audio clips, right-click and choose Auto Sync Clips by waveform to let Resolve align peaks automatically. If that doesn't work, zoom in on the timeline and manually nudge the audio so a sharp waveform spike lines up with the camera audio spike. You can use markers to mark the reference frame. For batches, select multiple clips and apply ripple edits, so adjustments keep relative timing consistent across the sequence. To finish, mute or disable the camera's onboard audio and set your external audio as the primary track. Then trim, apply fades, and adjust clip gain so levels match the mix. Once done, render a short segment to confirm lip sync and key sound events are aligned throughout. If you notice drift over longer takes, make sure both files share the same sample rate and time base. If not, rewarp or conform the audio clip, or re-record a slate and resync the problematic segment to fix timing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.